Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux 2024.3, that is the latest version on VirtualBox. First go to Kali Linux official website, that is kali.org, hit enter, then click on download or get Kali, both are same. Now see here we have the installer images or virtual machines. So click on installer images, see here we have the Kali Linux 2024.3, scroll down, see here we have the downloader for ISO, click on it, see download has been started, go to downloads, see the size is 4 gigabytes. So I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have the Kali Linux 2024.24.iso file. Okay, so now open Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you want to install Oracle VM VirtualBox on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Search VirtualBox. See here I have the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on it. See I have these two virtual machines. Okay. Now to create new virtual machine, you have to click on this new button or machine and select new. Both are same. So select new, then provide the name. Name is Debian. So I am giving virtual machine name as Kali 2024.3. Then select the folder where you want to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down and select other, then select the path where you have the enough space. New folder Kali 2024.3, give the name whatever you like. Select the folder. See I am going to store virtual machine files and folders in this folder. Then select the ISO image which we have downloaded. Click on drop down, then browse, then select the downloaded ISO file, that is Kali Linux 2024.3 installer.iso. Click on open, then click on next. See by default base memory has selected 2 gigabytes. I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes. Number of processors I am going to give 2. This memory and processors, it is up to you, based on availability you can select. Then click on next. See this is the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. It is also up to you based on availability. Then click on next. See this is the summary of the virtual machine. Click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings, just select this virtual machine from this menu, then click on settings or right click, select settings. Okay, or select it and click on machine, then select settings. All three are same. Now click on start to start the installation of virtual machine. Click on start. Use up and down arrows from your keyboard and select graphical install and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location. I am okay with United States, then click on continue. Then select keyboard language. I am selecting American English, then click on continue. Now here we have to provide the host name. You can provide host name here or you can provide after installation also. So I am giving host name as 2024.3. Then click on continue. See if you have an existing domain, you have to provide domain name here. Otherwise keep blank and click on continue. Now we have to set up a user. So I am giving user full name as R2 Schools. Then click on continue. See this will be the username. If you want to change the username for that full user, if you want to change, you can change. Otherwise keep as it is and click on continue. Then provide the password for this user. Then click on continue. Now select the clock. I am okay with Eastern. Then click on continue. Now select the partition disks. I am okay with guided. Use entire disk and click on continue. Continue. All files in one partition. Okay. Then click on continue. If you want to undo changes to partitions, you have to select the first option. I don't want, so select finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Then click on continue. Select yes, write changes to disks. Then click on continue. Now software selection. See by default it is selected desktop environment, XFCE, collection of tools, top 10, the top 10 most tools, default, and if you want to select KD Plasma or Genome, you can select these check boxes. I want to select KD Plasma, then click on continue. Now select the display manager. I am going with light display manager, then select continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, so go to virtual manager. See here, IDER controller IDE. See, optical drive is empty, which means it is ISO is removed. So go to virtual machine, then click on continue to reboot the virtual machine. Click on it. Provide username Artuscus, then provide password for this user. Let me double click on it. See, now we got the full screen. Now open terminal, verify the version of this one, this Kali Liunx. OS-release, hit enter. See, we have installed Kali Liunx and its version is 2024.3. Okay, if you want to increase the font, click on file, then preferences, click on this font, change, view the font, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. See, now font has been increased. Okay, click on this Kali button to see the applications. See here, we have the applications like information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, and see we have different applications. These are pre-built applications in Kali Liunx. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Liunx 2024.3 on VirtualBox. For more Kali Liunx or hacking or cyber security videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.